Hello, this is Yannis from Press-Ons by Yannis, and in this video I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use my size kit. Now, what is a size kit? A size kit is basically this tool right here that includes all the numbers from 00 through 9 of your chosen tip form and size. This kit, for example, is, I don't know if you can read it, but it's the round extra short. So it comes with this card. You have all your tips, you have a place where you can put your measurements, so from your left hand and your right hand, all the way from your thumb to your pinky. And on the back of the card are the instructions. Now, they are in Dutch. Now, the usage of this size kit is, it's a handy tool to know exactly which sizes of nail tips that you have, and therefore there is practically no margin of error down here because it's very specific. You see for yourself which tip size that you have, and obviously when you order a set and you give me those numbers, you will exactly get those numbers and you will know for sure that they will fit. So obviously first you have your nails and you have your size kit ready. Then you can look at the numbers and sort of see what might actually fit, for example, your thumb. And for me, it will be either a double zero or the 0. You put your nail like this onto your finger, and then you check. And then you check the sides. Does it reach the side wall? Yes. On this side, it also reaches the sidewall, but it's touching my skin right here on the side. Right here. It's overlapping on the skin, and that's not good. So then you go down a size. Once again, you place your nail tip on there, and then you check. And then for me, it's the 0 that fits. Fits here, fits on this side as well, no overlap with my skin whatsoever. So I know that for my right thumb, it's a 0. Now you can test on your other thumb if it's also the same size. And once again, for me, the 0 is a nice fit on both sides. So you would write down your tip size 0 on both left hand and the right hand side. And basically you do this for all 10 nails. Now, for some troubleshooting part. What if you fall in between two sizes? You fall in between a 4 and in between a 5 and a 5.5 on, say, for me that will be my pinky. So let's go through that scenario. The 5 is too big for the pinky. Well, it actually overlaps on both sides, on both side walls, so that wouldn't be ideal. Now, what about the 5.5? Well, for me the 5.5 actually fits, but imagine it's a little too, it doesn't quite reach both side walls. What would I suggest you do? I suggest you go for the larger number, and when you get your tip, you can then use a file to lightly file the sides a little bit until they match. And that was actually the tutorial on how to use the size kit that you can purchase on my site, and is included if you order a custom set with the option obviously toggled on for a size kit. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!